Hello, my name is Mary Moody. I'm a volunteer facilitator for the Pivio program. You may have heard of CHIP, the Complete Health Improvement Program that I help facilitate in the Grand Rapids area from 2008 through 2018 with over 270 graduates. Pivio is the new name for this lifestyle medicine program. You may ask, what is lifestyle medicine? Lifestyle medicine focuses on preventing, treating, and managing chronic diseases. Maybe you want to pivot to a healthier lifestyle but don't quite know where to begin or what website to believe. Or maybe your healthcare provider has advised you to address health issues before they become life-threatening. Whatever the case, consider signing up for Pivio classes that will begin September 7. Lifestyle medicine is based on 6 pillars, all of which are covered in this 18-session class over a period of 12 weeks. Number 1 is nutrition, optimally consuming a whole food, plant-based diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Number 2, physical activity. And number 3, stress management, finding healthy ways to cope with stress. Number 4, restorative sleep. Number 5, social connection, building and maintaining strong social relationships. And number 6, avoidance of risky substances. Not only do the classes provide peer support and current research, it is focused on providing tools for behavior change techniques to continue to inspire and motivate. Yes, there is an investment of your time, attention, and financial. It is comparatively small when one considers that optimal health is priceless. The 12-week class that will begin September 7 has an investment of only $250. These classes will be held at the Woodland Bank Community Room in Grand Rapids on Sundays and Thursdays from 5 to 6:30 p.m. for the first 6 weeks, and once a week on Sunday from 5 to 6:30 p.m. for the last 6 weeks. There is a maximum participant group of 15, and currently there are some openings. If you or someone you love might have an interest in this life-changing, research-based program, please reach out to me. My email is marymoody@gmail.com, which is MERRYMOODY@gmail.com, or text or call me at 218-259-3744. Thank you.